Here are the hockey jerseys that I got. So I got them to say Panthers on the front because that is our local team here in Miami. If we ever go to a hockey game, would you wear this with me?
Yeah, of course.
So this is a typical hockey jersey. I've never owned a hockey jersey, but I'm assuming this is what's typical material. And we could get really cute matching couples pictures in this. This is also the embroidery style. You can also get screen printing on Fans Idea, but I think the embroidery just takes it up a notch. It's more luxurious. And I put 10 on the sleeves and also on the back with just our first names. I just put 10 because I don't know any of the players. I thought it was like a generic, like...
It's the best number.
Yeah, so I figured that would be good, and it's cute having the same number or a different number or whatever you want to really make it your own. But yeah, this is super cool. It's kind of like the perforated material, like this. Perfect if you're actually playing a hockey game.
You mean perforated?
Is that what it's perforated? But yeah, I love the stripes on it, and I just feel really cute in this. I love wearing red. It's such a fun color, and yeah, it feels sporty, but not like too sporty.
Yeah, loose and airy.
It's still cute,
It's
and
I can still wear a shirt under it. It is cute. We look good together.
What size do I get?
And you're small, and I must have gotten like a medium or a large.
Large.